Go on, everybody. Tonight we are at residence of the Prime Minister for a media party. But me just there for name out the food when I'm paying a tax money. So I get my tax money back from the food. And go so we have to come buck him here, so it's alright. Now we come up and we have to come buck him here. Wha Gwann. And the pork this year cut up and thing right or something. Yeah man, right, they have them and split roast. Many of these places that you're seeing here are places that we plan to film, but we're just going to give you a sneak peek of what's to come in future episodes. So there are a couple people. Right here is Chris, Father Chris, where you have the pork on the grill and chicken. So it's a split roast pork, getting that skin real nice, real crackling on it. And then you have the chicken also just rotating, jerk chicken. And that pork, I've had it already. It's very spicy, very succulent, very sweet. And just something that is to die for. Like, can't wait for you to try this. But as I tell them, Chris and I will link up again. This is just a sneak peek of Chris thing. Yeah, we have to link Chris a theme place up in our Westmoreland, down up our Father Chris ends.
Every time.
So this is just a sneak peek. They're literally just rotating the chicken. Look how nice that chicken is get. The juices are flowing off of it when you put it up. And then you have the pork as well. That pork is a whole hog that them have roasting. Simply amazing. The skin crackling and you see the seasoning all around the ears and everything. You rotate it and the seasoning is just right round. Light heat is not directly on the fire, so you know you're going to get that tenderness, the moisture underneath it. And just beautiful, beautiful crackling. Respect my boss. Give thanks, my brother. Bless up. Smell. Wire cutters to cut it, but you can smell. I smell the pepper. How long this take for cook, Chris?
3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, man. 3 hours.
And you get the crackling off of that with that 3 hour and thing. Yeah man, and rice in the belly.
Oh yeah, maybe rice first.
Alright. Well, the one who did up the other place the other day did have a rice in the belly. He did set up. Just not tonight.
Let me take off.
Yeah, yes, don't please. Alright. Taking the wire off to release it off of the stick. Got the bone fall off the bone, literally fall off the bone. How about that smell? You can smell the scotch bonnet pepper in that. It's not a jerk pig. It's a roast pig. Roast pork. With pepper, with pork, we also have pepper. It. Yes man. I get to speak right to son. Piece of crackling, piece of meat, piece of everything. Look at the steam coming off of that. Look at that. Oh my god. It's so succulent and pepper. seasoned perfectly. It's tender, it's moist, and the seasoning on it, you're getting real seasoning, Jamaican seasoning. The pepper. I'm biting the wire, I'm nearly bite off my teeth. There's a trick to get this out because the wire is twined on. It's almost like a wine opener on it, but the meat in between that wire. Every piece of this. Getting some fat, you're getting some lean, but every part of it is salt. Well.
So, you know, he's going to be walking around meeting everyone.
PM is alright, but
Tonight.
I'm eating this.
And it's all about reggae night.
Get my tax money back. Free food. This is just a sneak preview. We're going to link Chris. Can't stop eating. Up by his place. Well, he eat kill all. That them says, so the wire must clean. Down to the wire. Sneak preview. Yeah man, look at that crackling. It's grass. It's literally glass. Hey, the choppers are one nice spot, you know. Literally right off the fire and straight into the plate. That's where they're going with it right now. That succulent pig, there's parts just flying around, but that spice, that pepper, that smell, the crackling.
Let's go.
And the crowd here just waiting on the hog. It's one of the most popular things here. It's not just hog. Look at the juice coming out of it. Roast yam that them have going on here. So like mackerel or sausage. I know that you're a steamed fish lover, but Jamaica has so much food and so much culture behind us.
Listen, Jamaica's food culture is so diverse, so unique, and
One of a kind.
Above everything else, taste.
Absolutely. One of the tastiest in the world.
I would agree without being exceptional, but for example, we have found a way to bring together saltfish,
And
codfish,
yes.
and yam.
Well, Minister, do you know that saltfish was traded in Canada for Jamaican rum at one point?
Yes.
And there's a part that's called being screeched or screeched,
Yes.
which is a Jamaican thing that they have in the saltfish trade that's still done in Canada, where it is something that our culture has been embedded in theirs as well. So we've diversified our food throughout the world.
Excellent. Excellent. Part of the food offerings here is we try to ensure that all the parishes
See that?
are
There's a
represented.
good representation
Oh,
of
this
diversity.
of Trelawney is known for yam.
Absolutely.
And we find all kinds of ways to do yam.
Albert Town.
Almond
for yam.
Right. So what I just had was roast yam.
How was the roast ham?
Excellent.
And what's your favorite Jamaican dish now?
Boy, it's
There's
you
too
know,
many to-
there's too many, but you know, I like porridge boat.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
That is the foundation.
That's the foundation. And then you know, coconut soup.
Yes,
And,
yes, absolutely.
And managed water soup. I don't know which one is better, but coconut soup or managed water.
There's some fantastic managed
Don't
water over
explain
there.
what the coconut is
Well,
or the managed
we
water.
shuffle it down. We just said strength your back in our culture. Most pepper shrimp. Where's some of my shrimp there? My shrimp. Pepper shrimp, them call it. Yeah, man, I mean, man. Yes, pepper shrimp. Send to this bed.
Big boss. I put your shrimp together for my job. Some would have to make. But the white, like that. You want shrimp? Eh? Who there you left?
Sorry. Look at the pepper on it. I think there's literally Scotch bonnet pepper seeds on it. So fresh, crunchy, salty, perfect pepper. Very nicely seasoned. There's pepper all over it. Spicy. Boy, have you all eat the head with it?
Welcome.
Heart of love,
You know,
brother.
you know,
Yeah, man, every time.
people, this is one bowl of soup. You know. And the
That's
soup is, you know, the soup in the other cup here.
The other one.
Ah, Carl, and-
Yeah, man, give thanks, man.
Boy, I'm a good joke. I'm good joke. That's shame, brother.
Yeah, I said, place like me, and me, I go through with that jelly there because I want to look sweet.